Do you know p-value is the most misunderstood and most controversial concept of statistics? Let me tell you why. R.A. Fisher formalized the idea of p-value as a measure of evidence against null hypothesis. He also suggested a p-value of less than 0.05 as a convenient threshold for significance. However, he never meant it out to be a hard cutoff, rather a guideline. But as statistical sciences spread its wings across various disciplines, this p-value became a de facto, rather a golden ticket to get your research publications accepted. And due to this, many researchers across the globe, they misused it, and which ultimately led to the p-hacking. And on this episode in 2016, American Statistical Association issued an official statement against the misuse of p-value, and they stated that p-value does not determine the probability that null hypothesis is true. Actually, it determines how compatible your data is with null hypothesis. And they stressed on one thing: instead of chasing the stars of p-value less than 0.05, try to find out how meaningful the effect is, how big the effect is, how strong the evidence is. And also they stressed on one thing: try not to rely on p-value alone. Instead, try to rely on the associates of p-value like effect size, false discovery rates, confidence intervals, prediction intervals. Because at the end of the day, p-value is just a tool, and the actual story or game begins when we move beyond p-value, because we need tools which have accuracy and have practical applications. So remember one thing: statistics is more than p less than or equal to 0.05. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you very much.